Google announced 4 new updates to some of its apps, which add new features or expand on existing ones. For example, Google has added a new functionality to the Drive sharing button that allows users to share a link to a specific time in a video. Besides the new functionality in Google Drive, the search giant introduced a new drop-down options on the sharing button in Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drawing. The new feature is meant to make it easier for users to share documents and media across workspaces. In the latest version of Docs, Sheet, Slides, and Drawings, a new drop-down menu will be accessible from the Share button. The new drop-down button expands to offer multiple quick actions such as pending access request and copy link. The functionality is now rolling out to rapid release and scheduled release domains. According to Google, the drop-down button will be available to all Google Workspace customers and users with personal Google accounts. This will take time, maybe 1 or more weeks to propagate to everyone, but it's a very interesting take.